What powers the global shift toward electric mobility? It all begins with the batteries and the companies driving their innovation. Contemporary Amperex Technology leads the electric vehicle battery market with a commanding 31% share, reflecting its global leadership in battery manufacturing and technology. BYD follows with 15%, leveraging its vertically integrated EV ecosystem. LG, CALB Group, and Gauchon High-Tech each hold 3%, highlighting the intense competition among battery manufacturers. One of the biggest takeaways is the gap between the top two players and the rest of the market, underscoring the scale and manufacturing strength required to compete in this industry. As EV adoption accelerates worldwide, advancements in battery performance, charging speed, and cost efficiency will continue to shape the future of electric mobility. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.